attacked members of a rival Muslim sect. Again, hostages have been about 100 people were shot and wounded during ethnic violence.
You are born into this world.
Well, Justin Haley, we're at the Club Voltaire at North Melbourne, and we're going to see Charmpoint. Let's go inside right now.
Do they know about this photo? They'll know about it.
We're in right now, let's go inside. We got our seat right now. You got the photo of Charmpoint there. Pay $10 and you'll get a free Charmpoint photo there.
And if you can guess it, the Brenda Photo was there, right here at the Charmpoint concert, and the photo was behind fairy dog dances and chaotic passion, and we also saw Barry too there.
Mello is also the two, so it's Charmpoint and Mello performing. Sweet.
You know, I'm waiting for Charm to play Puppy Love by Donny Osmond.
And they called it Puppy Love.
All I was thinking of is Harrison Burton all day long.
Harrison Burton turns left!
She's a lady, I remember. Sarah, Sarah.
So Charmpoint's call is, get this, lucky.
Lucky you're with Amy.
We're going to miss out on Gold 104.3 this week in music, with the birthdays being around 5:40 p.m. or something, but we'll listen to that encore tomorrow anyways. How come none of the people like Savage Garden?
got this message from Nick Simone's female friend that she saw an extra from Neighbors in 1992 from the episode 1763. I'll talk to you about it tomorrow.
Well, at least it's better than the Travis Scott concert. More safer there.
How are you finding this concert? Justin Haley. It's a good concert.
Well, the concert is going well.
Well, that's the end of the concert.
Well, let's go buy some merch and get the two idols with the Brenda Photo. Let's go.
Let's go.
You know what Evie said? She said it was Charmpoint's day, so she didn't have a photo of them. Oh well.
And guess who? Felix from Honey Idols and Barry Bean Pie saw that t-shirt that Nixon is wearing. The dear girls saw a swimsuit photo. Well, yes, they all like Love Live Sunshine, but what about Justin Haley?
Now we're waiting in line to meet Charmpoint and get a photo with the Brenda Photo. Well, we got the photo of both Charmpoint and Mello. If you can take a closer look to it. Well, it's time to go home now, and we can play some of the music that we like Girl Overboard. Our friends are having McDonald's right now. Let's have a look at them at McDonald's.
This photo came out just hours ago. Have a look at this. Nick took this photo. And guess who's in this photo? It's Nick Salmon with Justin Haley.
With only the Brenda Photo appears with Justin Haley. What a blast. Music at McDonald's.